Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Saini, student of Medical Biotechnology. Today I am going to present a topic that is proteome. So start with history. The term proteome and proteomics were coined by Mark Wilkins. Next is introduction. Proteome. Proteome is the complement protein found in a single cell in a particular environment. और हम यह भी कह सकते हैं कि प्रोटियोम एक कंप्लीट कलेक्शन है प्रोटीन का. प्रोटोमिक्स में हम डिटेल स्टडी करते हैं प्रोटीन की. फॉर एग्जांपल कंपोजिशन, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन, फंक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड इंटरेक्शन ऑफ द प्रोटीन. इन कंपोजिशन वी स्टडी हाउ मैनी टाइप ऑफ अमीनो एसिड्स आर प्रेजेंट्स इन प्रोटीन्स. इन स्ट्रक्चर वी स्टडी प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर, सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर and tertiary structure of protein. We also study the tertiary structure of protein are more functional as compared to primary and secondary structure. In function of protein, we study protein is a major source of energy. Protein help in metabolism that provides structural support. Protein act as enzymes, carrier or hormone. Protein help in transport of small molecules, for example hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein that transport oxygen. Next is proteome databases. यह एक कलेक्शन है easily searchable species specific protein databases that organizes publicly available sequence information with up to date information that derived from expert curation of the scientific literature. प्रोटीम डाटाबेसिस ऑर्गेनाइज है 6 वॉल्यूम में, जिसमें 24 स्पीसीज के फंक्शनल एनोटेशंस इंक्लूड हैं. हर वॉल्यूम एक लोकल्स रिपोर्ट से बना हुआ है जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करता है कंप्लीट प्रोटियोम्स ऑफ क्यूरेटेड स्पीसीज. वॉल्यूम और लोकल्स रिपोर्ट्स दोनों ही इंटरलिंक्ड हैं आपस में और फैसिलिटेट करते हैं सर्चिंग अक्रॉस द मल्टीपल प्रोटीन्स एंड स्पीसीज. Next is example of proteome databases. First, human PhD. यह एक सर्वे है ह्यूमन, माउस और रैट के प्रोटीम का, जिसमें मेनली फोकस है फंक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन, बायोलॉजिकल रोल ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड लोकलाइजेशंस एंड मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड एक्सप्रेशन पैटर्न अक्रॉस द सेल्स, टिश्यू, ऑर्गन एंड ट्यूमर्स. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज GPCR-PD. इसमें मेनली फोकस है मेमेलियन जी प्रोटीन कपल रिसेप्टर, उसके लिगेंड्स पे, उसके सिग्नली कंपोनेंट्स पे. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज ईस्ट प्रोटियोम डाटाबेसिस. दे कंटेन कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ईस्ट प्रोटियोम. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोटीन डाटाबेसिस. प्रोटीन डाटाबेसिस इज वन और मोर डाटा सेट्स अबाउट प्रोटीन्स which could include a protein amino acid sequence, conformation, structures and features such as active sites. It is an important resource because protein mediate most biological function. Next is protein databases. The protein databases are UniProt, that is Universal Protein Resource. Next is SysProt. It is a curated protein sequence databases that contain high level of annotations. Next is Trembl, that is Translation European Molecular Biology Laboratory. It is a automatically generated protein sequence databases. Next is PIR, that is Protein Informations Resource. Next is ProCite, and next PFAM and PDP, that is Protein Data Bank. UniProt, that is Universal Protein Resource. It is a comprehensive and non-redundant resource for protein sequence and annotation data. The UniProt databases are the UniProt knowledge base, UniProt reference clusters and the UniProt archives. So we discuss SysProt in detail. It is the central hub for the collection of function information on protein. It is established in 1986. They are maintained by collaboratory Department of Medical Biochemistry of the University of Geneva and the EMBL Data Library. Feature of SysProt. This feature makes SysProt different from other protein sequence databases because they have high level of annotations. Annotations mean additional information, or we can say detailed informations. They have minimal redundancy. It's mean they have minimum number of repeat sequence. The SwissProt are integrates with other databases. So we first discuss annotations. In SwissProt, two classes of data can be distinguished, that is core data and annotation data. In core data, for each sequence entry, the core data consists of the sequence data, like citation information, that is bibliographic reference, and next is taxonomic data, that is descriptions of the biological source of protein. In annotation data, annotation consists of descriptions like protein function, post-translation modification, for example, carbohydrates, acetylations, phosphorylations. Next is domain and sites, for examples, ATP binding regions, calcium binding sites. Next is secondary structure, for example, alpha helix, beta sheets. Next is quaternary structure, for example, homodimer and heterodimer, and similarity between the proteins. And annotation data also consists disease associated with deficiency in the protein. Next is minimal redundancy. SwissProt tried to merge all these data to minimize the redundancy. Much of data comes from more than one literature reports. Data condensed and merged to appear more concise and coherent. SwissProt provide cross-reference to external data collections. It integrates with AMBL, PDP, OMIM, PFAM and ProCites. Integration between the three types of sequence-related databases, that is nucleic acid sequence, protein sequence and protein tertiary structures. SwissProt is currently cross-referenced with 24 different databases. Next is documentations. In documentations, all files are documented and indexed. Documentations kept up to date. Next databases are PIR, that is Protein Information Resource. It's integrated with bioinformatic resource for genomic, proteomic and system biology research and scientific studies. It is established by NBRF, that is National Biomedical Research Foundation. It offers wide variety of research mainly oriented to assist the propagation and standardization of protein annotations. PRO, Protein Related Ontology. Next, iProClass, Integrated Protein Knowledge Base. Next is IPTMNet, Integrated Protein Post-Translation Modifications Resource. Next is iProExpress, Integrated Protein Expressions Analysis System. PFAM. PFAM databases is large collections of protein families, each represented by multiple sequence alignment and hidden Markov models. PFAM databases contain information about protein domains and families. PFAM A is manually curated portions of the databases. PFAM B contain a large number of small families that derive from cluster produced by an algorithm. Thank you.